Understanding two-step equations. A simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of two-step equations. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. We'll break it down together in a way that's easy to understand. Let's dive into the world of mathematics and master this interesting topic. A two-step equation is a kind of mathematical problem that requires two operations to solve. Think of it as a mini-adventure. You have to complete two steps to find the hidden treasure, which in this case is the value of the variable, usually represented by x or y. These equations often look like 3x plus 4 equals 10, or y, 2 minus 3 equals 7. Understanding two-step equations is crucial because they form the foundation for more complex mathematical concepts. They are like the stepping stones in a river, helping you cross to the more advanced shores of algebra. Whether you're solving real-life problems or tackling mathematical challenges, two-step equations are your reliable friends. Now, let's solve a two-step equation together. Consider the equation 3x plus 4 equals 10. The goal is to find the value of x. Step 1. First, we deal with the addition or subtraction. In this case, we subtract 4 from both sides of the equation, which leaves us with 3x equals 6. Step 2. Next, we address the multiplication or division. Here, we divide both sides by 3, giving us x equals 2. And that's it. We've found our x. Let's try another example together. Consider y, 2 minus 3 equals 7. Follow the steps. 1. Add 3 to both sides. Y, 2 equals 10. 2. Multiply both sides by 2, y equals 20. See? With practice, it becomes easier. I hope this video has shed light on the concept of two-step equations and you feel more confident in tackling them. Remember, practice is key, and soon, solving these equations will be a breeze for you. Keep exploring and learning, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!